Guys, look at my insane phantom wallet. I made all this money with meme coins in under a month. If you want to learn exactly how I made it happen, make sure you watch to the end of the video. Now, most of y'all might think that I made all my money by trading meme coins, but that is not true at all. The reality is that I actually lost most of my money by trading meme coins because every single time I put my money inside a coin, it just kept getting rug pulled over and over again. Every single coin is eventually going to get rugged. That is the truth that no one is telling you about. Look at this, it got rugged. Even this coin, it got double rug pulled. 1, 2, yup, and another one. Now, that's exactly why I switched to a new strategy. Now, I'm the one who is launching these coins and removing the liquidity and making a shit ton of money. I am the one who is launching them. And because of it, now I can turn $100 into $500, and sometimes I can make thousands of dollars on just one meme coin launch. And the best part, I can do it literally over and over again, and I can just print money out of thin air. Now that's why I'm here to teach y'all exactly how to launch and create your own coin and make some instant profit. But of course, this is all for educational purposes only, to show you how it works. Let's stop yapping and head straight to the point. Now, to launch and create your own coin, you want to come here and go on launch tokenfast.fun. And on this exact website, you will be able to create and launch your own coin with no coding required. And the best part is that it launches the coins on the Raydium DEX, which is 100 times better than Pump.Fun. Because if you guys don't know already, or if you're living under a rock, Pump.Fun is too saturated at the moment. Too many coins are being created every single hour, which means that the market caps are extremely low. So you want to be launching your coins on the Raydium DEX if you want to get that next level market cap. So for example, Raydium, just look at the market cap's 8 million. Okay, the number speaks for itself. And now here you can create your own coin manually by putting the token name, token symbol, and token image. So for example, if Elon Musk or a meme dropped or something big was to happen, or you could make a meme coin and make thousands by doing it manually here. But if you are lazy like me and you want to make some money with no marketing required, you can come to the third tab right here, to the copy coins feature right here, and you can actually duplicate and replicate any narrative you want that has a decent idea behind it. Right now, all these coins are all proven to get some buyers because they're all trending and pumping on Pump.Fun. So by duplicating these coins, you're basically listing them back up on the Raydium DEX, and you are making way more money. Now this feature right here is actually gatekept by a lot of people in the community. Now it's their time to shine and make some money. Now I like to duplicate coins that has a lot of replies and a decent market cap on the Pump.Fun DEX. The one that specifically caught my attention is the WAGMI coin. It has 300 replies and a $47,000 market cap, so I could at least make a couple hundred or even a couple thousand if I get lucky. Now I'm gonna create coin, then I'm gonna go into my Phantom wallet. A warning will pop up, but this is completely normal. Just don't get scared, it's normal. Just proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm, and then your coin should be created shortly. All smooth. After that, copy your token address and click on create liquidity pool, because this will make your coin tradable on the blockchain once completed. Here it's already pre-selected. The amount token A, click on max because you want to give away 1 billion coins to the public to be traded. And the amount token B right here is the amount of liquidity that you're buying in with your money. I like to put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 Solana. I'll just put 0.5. That's what I'm comfortable with. And then I click on create pool in 3, 2, 1. After that, go inside your Phantom wallet again, then do confirm, and then click on refresh. Okay, popped up. You're already $30 in profit. Now click on view on Photon, and now your coin is live. Okay, it's pumping a lot at the moment. Let's go. People are trading the coin at the moment, $6, $5, but these are all bot buys, right? So we're looking for the big buyers to come in, but these buys are actually all useful because they create volume for your coin, so it gets traction on the blockchain. Now, you can also check your profits on non-tokens.fun by coming here, click on refresh, and you can see your profits right here going up. Oh, what? Yo, it pumped a bit. Let's go. Oh, shit. It's pumping. Oh my god, yo, it's pumping a lot. Let's go. Now traction just hit, and the coin should be pumping a lot shortly. Now, I think one more buy, and then I'm gonna remove the liquidity. Fuck it. Okay, okay. Come back to non-tokens.fun, click on the minus button, click on the 100%, remove liquidity, and then, come on, bro, just come on, just finish it off. Confirm, and boom, we just removed the complete liquidity out of the coin. That's exactly how you print money out of thin air. And just to prove that I am not bullshitting, if I open my Phantom wallet, just look at those juicy profits. At the beginning I had $150, now I have $400. So I made a bag out of this coin within just 1 minute, bro. Non-tokens.fun is linked in the comments up below or in the description. Go use it right now before it gets too late. Like, comment, subscribe to enter the 5-star giveaway, and now bye.